Birmingham Police Bodycam footage of Minor High School band director shot with stun gun and arrested. For this episode, I'm your host, Attorney Marcus Session. The game has been over for 18 minutes and the band is still playing. The band director of this high school still has his band going, playing songs, I guess trying to finish this one song. And the cops really want him to leave. So the Birmingham Police Department has come to try to remove this man to get him to leave the stadium. So the first thing I noticed is there's no one on this field, no players, there's no fans on the other side, maybe a few spectators. Like I said, this game has been over for 18 minutes. In my opinion, the band should have been gone. So this guy is blatantly, violating some policy. Well, I know he's violating the school policy. I think I was looking up in this district that once the game is over, the band has to wrap it up and leave. Now, the cop is obviously being very confrontational. He says, I have my troops coming and we gonna sweep all their asses out. Come on now. I don't know how long the cop has been trying to contend back and forth with this man. I take it it's been a while. And the guy's refusing to leave, so the cops are being frustrated. At some point, it's a battle of the egos. Before this situation gets really bad, I probably would have just let them finish, notified the school officials to come get him and have him stop. And of course, he's gonna face consequences from the school in the school district, and I would have politely waited until they loaded the bus, get all the kids on the bus and everything, and then I would have arrested this man for violating a lawful order. So they played the lights out of the field. I mean, aside from the fact that this band is pretty damn good, this director is not really setting a good example for his kids. So it seems as if chaos has presented itself rather swiftly. I would have waited until all the kids were loaded on the bus, everyone was out of the stadium, to not cause a riot like the one we're seeing now. I think the cops are doing pretty bad work here. Yeah, they told him to leave. They gave him a lawful order to pack it up, to go. He refused to listen. But you have to consider your surroundings, and you have a bunch of kids and, I don't know, maybe parents and other spectators in the stadium. Make sure everybody is out of the stadium. Make sure the kids are on the bus. Then you detain him and bring him in and allow the justice system to work its course. But as you can see, this is causing a riot. Cops need to be more aware. Now, as to the band director being arrested, as I always tell everybody else, if ever cops are trying to arrest you, it's better not to resist, because in resisting, what if you're struggling and battling back and forth with the cops and you accidentally hit one of them? Now you have an additional charge, assault on a police officer or assault on a public servant, and you don't need that to happen. So it's best not to resist. And as I always say, work that shit out in court. The cop is saying he's going to jail because I asked him to respect me in something else. And that was disrespectful to me. Sir, you cannot arrest somebody because they disrespected you. You have to have a legal reason to arrest someone. You have to have probable cause to arrest someone. Probable cause amounting to disrespect? Not seeing it. So I want y'all to listen to what's going on. After the first and the second shot with the taser gun, listen to what's going on. Everybody around, all the students, whoever, all you hear is yelling and screaming. This is what you do not want to happen, especially in a riot type situation. Cops are doing a horrible job, in my opinion. You should have just let everybody get on the bus. Like I said, let all the students get on the bus, clear the stadium, stay in close proximity to the band director, and when everybody's on, then you arrest him, if that's what you want to do. I think more than anything, these cops are enthralled in a ego battle at this point. Oh, no, he ain't gonna disrespect me. He gonna listen to me. And I'm not excusing the band director. He should have been wrapped it up and left a long time ago. The game ended 18 minutes before their interaction. So there's no reason for him to continue playing. Like I said, he was going to be reprimanded by his district and by his school. At least that should be the case. They could have given him some legal consequences for violating a lawful order if the cops are telling him to leave. Everything else that happened could have been avoided had they went a different route in how they were going to arrest this guy.
Real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now, back to the video.
That was kind of tough to watch. I always say, you guys always get on me for being on cop side, and that's not always the case. But what I do believe is that they have a very difficult job, and they should always consider their training and their surroundings when making a decision, how it's going to affect the general public. In this situation, I thought they made some pretty bad decisions. And of course, you have a riot that ensued as a result. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my personal page. Like and subscribe to the Attorney Reacts page. We love interacting with you guys. Leave your comments. And until next time, take it easy, my friends.
Big verdict.